Look who it is.
Hey guys, how's it going?
It's the man himself. Look what we got here, guys. We've got 2 skateboards. We're gonna brave the boards, are we?
Good. Break ourselves, I think. I don't know how much talent there is between both of us, but we're about to find out.
Oh, I'm alright. I'm okay. That thing's pretty cool.
I'm not very experienced on balls, as you know. I've had one little go of your, what was it? What ball
the boosted board.
Boosted ball.
You'll be right. You're pretty good at stuff like that. Hey guys, look, check Steve's bike. It's almost done. Yeah. Jump bike.
Forks and test fitted at the moment.
The spray job is amazing. Absolutely amazing. It looks really nice. I'm pretty gel at that actually.
You're going to have to get one, mate.
Yeah, I'm going to have to. I need to have a go.
Yeah, definitely. We're going out on this as soon as it's done.
Yeah.
Guys,
Steve's taking that one. I'm going to take this. This is that's virtually like a penny board. It's nice. Once you get to grips with it, it's really nice. Come on then. This is really dodgy because if you jump on that bit there, you end up going off the back of it. Which way are we going to go? Straight down the end? Oh. Yeah, this one does. Yeah.
The calf's like a mile and a half from here, so we'll see if we haven't crashed by then.
Probably will. If not, you'll come up with some sort of challenge to like make sure I do fall off a bit. Take it slow. Whoa. Yeah, they've got air in them. Yeah, we got to do it. No, go. What are we doing? 2 men in their mid-40s. Well, he's in his mid-40s. I'm not going to make it out of that. Are you getting on the bus?
Yeah, it's going to be easier and safer, I think.
Where's the green light?
I can normally do this on foot, I'll just go, but I'm not on this one. I'm going to get hit by a phone.
On this surface is really not good. You'd be better off on there. Oh, fuck!
Easy, careful,
I had my foot on the back and the front was in the air and I was going, hey, surfing it like.
Quite nice and pointy actually.
Yeah, it's got a nice bit of buoying.
Good.
Right, go. Does sound like a train. Oh, ice buns. What do you reckon then?
I feel like a dude now. I feel like a proper dude being on a mountain board.
What are we saying? It's different. It's got a different vibe to it.
Different vibe, yeah. Like to
what, e-bikes and
to e-bikes, yeah. It's
like proper fun though, isn't it? It's way more fun with like a couple
harder.
of you.
It's definitely harder in a lot of ways. Obviously, a bike's easier to just get on and roll. But
yeah, that's cool, though, isn't it?
I kind of like it.
Yeah.
It's made me think of them. What's some other boards that I really like? The one wheels.
Yeah.
I've really thought about getting one of them, but the only thing is they're really heavy and big.
They're dangerous.
It's like a massive wheel.
You need levers. You need like full levers.
Elbow pads probably. I know a dude that smokes around on one of these all the time, and he fractured his finger only last week.
Yeah,
just face, and he uses it all day every day, and he does like miles on it. So.
I've got scars from skateboards, mate. I've got scars on my arms. Like, I ended up took myself in flipping hospital. All right, lunch done. Oh, we're on better ground now. You are better off in the road. If the brakes failed right now, I would be absolutely screwed. There's no way I would be able to stop. Oh!
So much fun.
That was a lot of fun, wasn't it?
It was so much fun.
They're just so good for just blasting around.
Yeah.
I mean, bearing in mind that's probably the second time you've been on one of these boards, isn't it?
Yeah,
Something
yeah.
like that.
My legs are aching, but not as bad as
Yeah.
you'd think.
It's better. The mountain board's better because it's obviously got. I say it's
The
better.
difference in the wheels, I've had to go with electric skateboard, and the hard wheels are just awful. You hit a stone, you feel like it's
Yeah.
going to be game over.
It's dangerous.
That's so forgiving. You can go up little curbs and
It just sort of like just bumps up things.
glides over things.
It's a lot easier. Anyway, guys, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Just a quick little one. Happy Christmas. Get out, have fun with your mates. That's what it's all about. Catch you later.
Yeah,